I have been reselling for over 5 years and I have tested dozens of different vendors to find the absolute best quality one-to-one products. If you want to resell or just want to wear designer clothes at an affordable cost, I'm going to show you the suppliers that I personally use so you will never have to worry about being called out for reps. I have made over $14,000 off reselling and is absolutely one of the best side hustles you can start and scale to 6 figures, and summer is the best time to start. You have probably seen teens on Insta or TikTok making thousands off selling designer clothes, and that is because they are getting these hoodies for $30 and then selling them for $300. Now this is the exact same material as the original one, the only difference is the price is 10 times lower. The most important step if you want to be successful reselling is to have the best quality reps, and I'm going to show you exactly where I get them. Now I've been scammed many times either by receiving bad product or just not getting my package from buying from random one-to-one vendors, and this is usually what prevents people from starting to resell, as no one wants to get scammed. These suppliers right here on this website are absolutely the best ones out there and are safe and affordable, and they're the ones I personally use. I have bought at least one thing from each vendor to 100% make sure you guys are not getting scammed or receiving bad quality product, and every single one I have verified for fast worldwide shipping. Almost all of them are on Alibaba and they will provide refunds if anything goes wrong. The all vendor package is 50% off right now, and you guys get all the vendors on this website plus 100 more. The link to the website is the first link in this video's description. Now a lot of reselling YouTubers are just talking out of their ass saying they have the best quality vendors, so let me just show you guys I'm not and actually review these one-to-one reps for my suppliers. I have all the AirPod versions right here, and every single one is top-notch quality, and one pair will only cost you about $20. I've sold these for over $100 as one-to-one, and I've made hella profit recently off them. They have noise cancellation, valid serial numbers, and even Find My iPhone. Along with the AirPod Maxes right here, these are easily one of the best reps I've seen, and you can make about 100 to 200 profit off them. They cost about $90, and the sound is identical to the original ones along with all the other features. Designer clothing is what a lot of you guys are here for, as some clothes can cost over $1,000 and no one wants to pay that when you get the same thing for 10 times less. This spider hoodie is the exact same material and the puff print is the same, and they only cost $50 compared to the original cost of $300, leaving absolute huge room for profit margin. And no guys, it's not crappy quality, just take a look at this thing. These will even pass StockX. They come with the original packaging and there is nothing different from the real one. It's just made by different people, so the price is different. And as you guys can see, all these different designer brands, another clothing vendor on that website has tons of different products you can order. They sell over 3,000 different products, and it's just all one-to-one designer that costs like $60 to $100. And if you buy in multiple pieces, you can even get it up to $20 per piece. You guys can flex in school about having all this designer, and you'll never have to worry about being called out for reps. And since cologne reselling has become so popular, we also have the Baccarat Rouge right here. Now my vendor sells about every cologne for $30, and they have a menu of 5,000 different products. Every single cologne you can think of they have, and each one only costs about $20 to $30. And you guys are definitely thinking, is this smell different? And no, it isn't, and it lasts just as long. You also got these other product over here. We even got a Rolex, and this only cost me like $200, and this is a complete one-to-one super clone. Also got the Dyson hairdryer right here. I see hella people have been selling these in the mentorship, and you can get these from $60 from my vendor and then flip these for over $200. And I'm sure a lot of you guys question whether you can actually sell these and if you're gonna have trouble. Literally all what you have to do is just make a listing on apps like Facebook Marketplace or eBay, and then the next day you will get a ton of messages. Reselling is just the easiest side hustle in the world. It requires little to no work and you can make insane profit. After your first sale, you will quickly realize the potential to make money with reselling. And probably the hardest thing about it is finding good quality vendors and good quality product, and I already did that all for you guys. Make sure to join my Discord down below because I have a ton of reselling tools in there that will for sure help you guys out. And you can even see for yourself the amount of money these people are making. This guy's in the mentorship and made $500 in one day. That is insane. And if you guys just don't know how to start, the mentorship is something I do offer. I will personally guide you from A to Z and teach you exactly how to resell and how I make over 6 figures per year. It comes with all the vendors, receipt generator, view bots, and much more. It's got a super high success rate, and if you guys have any questions about that too, you can always DM me. But that's about it for me, guys. Please do not give up and make sure to start to resell. In 1 month from now, you could be up 10 grand and you wouldn't even realize if you didn't start. And summer is the absolute best time to resell, and you guys got this. Make sure to like and sub, and that's it for me, guys.